welcome back to my channel. Today we are making lasagna. So let's know the ingredients. You'll need lasagna sheets. I'm using instant sheets so I don't need to boil them. Please see the instructions on the packaging. You'll also need 3 cups of shredded mixed cheese. You can use half and half of cheddar and mozzarella. For the meat sauce, you'll need 300 grams of minced beef, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, half cup of oil, 2 cups of tomato sauce, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilli, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. For the bechamel sauce, you will need half cup of butter, half cup of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, a tablespoon of oil, and 3 cups of milk. First of all, in a pan on medium heat, add oil and onions. Cook for a minute until they get translucent. And then add meat. Fry the meat, then add ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 more minute. Now add all the spices and mix it well. Cook this for some more time and then add tomato sauce and water. Cover it and let it cook on low to medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the time may vary. The sauce will get thick when it's done. Now for the bechamel sauce, add butter to a pan on medium heat and add oil. Now add flour and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then gradually add milk and keep mixing throughout to avoid any lumps. Let it cook for some time until it gets thick. Then add salt and pepper and it's done. Now is the time to assemble lasagna. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Then in a baking dish, put a small layer of sauce. Then add a layer of lasagna sheets. I have used instant sheets so I don't need to boil it. Please refer to the instructions on your lasagna packaging. Then add a good layer of meat sauce followed by bechamel sauce and then some cheese. Now repeat the layering 2 more times. Finally, top it with lots of cheese and cover it with aluminum foil. This will go in the oven for 30 minutes covered. After 30 minutes, take the cover off and bake for 10 more minutes. And you're done. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day. And like always, thanks for watching.